in greater self-confidence and personal growth. But by doing so, we have to follow some rules. And there are mainly 4 main rules for hybrid meeting. Rule number 1, please keep your best friend mobile on silent or on vibration mode. I'll give you 10 seconds to do that. Rule number 2, we will not talk about sex, religion and politics throughout the meeting. Rule number 3, important for offline meeting. Members and guests will only be allowed to move in or out the meeting room at the time of applause. Now, the last rule, important for online members. Please keep your microphone on mute unless otherwise called upon. Now, without further waiting, it's time to invite our, can anyone guess? Contest chair. Our contest chair is a production engineer by qualification, an entrepreneur by choice, co-founder of Continental Leap, which mentors students in foreign education. She is also my mentor. And she loves to read history and biographies, make road trips, and study behavior of birds. That's very strict. So, with big round of applause, please let me welcome Toastmaster Corwin.
Thank you, Toastmaster Kemal, for that wonderful introduction. A very good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters. I welcome you to this mock contest of table topics. For the benefit of guests, I would like to describe what table topics mean. Would anyone of you volunteer to explain? Yes, Gina. Am I audible to the people on online?
Yes, yes.
You are clearly audible.
Okay. So, good afternoon and thank you, Toastmaster Corwin. Table topics, for a benefit of all over here, are impromptu topics which are given to the speaker when he or she comes to the stage. And the speaker will have to lead the topic and speak for 1 to 2 minutes. 30 seconds is the grace period. Mind well that you have to speak for minimum 1 minute on the topic given. The topic will be given there to the specific speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Chief. So the best part of table topics is the surprise element. And that gives you an opportunity to think on your toes. It is a brilliant opportunity to form a good content extempore. So with this, we start our table topic session, but a contest in a table topic session today. So while going through the contest, I would like to tell you that all of you who are participating will move out of this room, and one person, in our case, the first person is going to be Toastmaster Shabani, because she is online. We are giving her the opportunity to talk first. I will give her the topic. She would speak on the topic. I would, me and a timer would keep track of the time, which is minimum time of 1 minute, maximum time of 2 minutes, and a 30-second grace period for each one of you talking on the topic. And once they are done, they move out. They do not disclose, or they can keep sitting here. They do not disclose the topic to the other members, and so on and so forth. We continue with the meeting. So I hope you all are ready for today's session. Yes. I think all charged up. Why don't I hear a good yay?
Yay!
Thank you. So all the best to all the contestants. Wish you a very, very good session.
So all of us are going back. You will be the first timer, or
I'll be the first timer.
You'll be the first timer. Okay.
So for the benefit of guests, at the end of 1 minute, I will show a green card At the end of 1.5 minutes, I'll show the yellow card. And at the end of 2 minutes, I'll show a red card. After that, just 30-second grace. Till then, I'll keep holding the red card. Is that clear?
Yes.
Thank you. Yes.
People who the guest character who are not participating and they sit continuously observe that.
Would you, I mean, it's
Why don't you
open to
participate?
Yes.
It will be fun.
It's open to you. It's good if you participate because that way also you will get to know how it is. And
14,
you want to
28.
we keep the option.
It'll be fun. Join in. We're not giving you option.
Actually, that is right. Everybody should participate.
I also don't know.
Come. So, अच्छा online में एक और है Deepak.
Okay.
How do we do that?
So Shabani and then Deepak, we asked we mute him.
Muting him won't be meeting him won't be possible, but Shabani को mute करेंगे तभी only Deepak won't be able to.
एक ही बंदा म्यूट हो पाएगा ऑनलाइन में. आप एक को चालू और एक को
एक रूम में डाल सकते हैं ना उनको. हाँ.
Doing that. So Deepak, you are also participating in a contest, and that is why I am putting you in a breakout room.
No, you didn't ask to me to participate.
We're not asking anyone. Everyone is like taken for granted.
Okay.
Assign manually, and I'm putting in a breakout room. Just a second.
Okay.
Assign. How do we? कब बुलाएंगे वापस 2 मिनट बाद? How will I get to him?
So I will join back you can notify by WhatsApp or something.
हाँ, तो जैसे ही हम आपको करते हैं ना, अभी 3 minutes from now, just
No, 5 minutes बोल दो.
5 minutes?
हाँ.
Okay.
Or we notify him on WhatsApp.
Yes.
हाँ, Deepak, I'll call you up and tell to join this room, है ना?
Sure. Okay.
So, did you got a request for joining a breakout room?
No. Not yet.
Okay.
Chat room?
तो room ही add हो रहा है. Recreate.
Yes. Now.
हाँ, so you can please go and when gone. ठीक है, मैं उसको बोल दूंगा कैसे.
और भी 2 लोग हैं 3 मिनट.
So those are guests. So if Shabani is doing it, then I'll tell how to do it.
And how is the winner chosen?
I'm a telecounter, so do I need to do anything?
Voting कैसे कर पाए? कोई नहीं कर पाएगा. Let it be. हाँ, we cannot find a best because
Voting तो नहीं होगा.
voting नहीं हो पाएगा.
Then in that case, let us have one grammarian जो सबके speeches में से ना अच्छा usage ले ले.
Can I do one thing? Can I be that grammarian? मतलब ठीक है, I can sit here.
Or I'll ask Shabani to become grammarian
Grammarian
after
as
she
soon
is.
as.
Shabani, will you be a grammarian after your
Yes,
session
yes.
is over? She anyways
Yes,
does
yes.
this. सबकी speech में से अच्छा लेती है.
Oh, great, amazing. चलो, then we are moving on. ठीक है guys, you need a timer ना, यहाँ पे अपना phone रख दो.
Yes. I will.
चले guys बाहर.
Yes.
सारे contestant है ना.
आप लोग अंदर अपना sequence decide कर लीजिए.
Topic.
ताकि कोई ना सुने. Hi Shabani,
Hi.
are you ready?
Yes, good afternoon. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, Shabani, absolutely. Audible and visible. So, as you know, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Right, Shabani? Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Hold on.
Sorry.
So, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So, I want to know what, according to you, makes a person beautiful? What qualities in a person makes that person beautiful?
Your voice is cracking. I couldn't hear you. Paurabi,
Is
your
it okay?
voice is cracking.
Is it okay now? Is it
I
okay?
couldn't hear you.
Is it okay now?
Now, okay.
Okay. What qualities makes a person beautiful? Am I audible? What qualities make a person beautiful? Toastmaster Shabani, what qualities make a person beautiful? Your time starts now.
The most beautiful things we cannot be feel or cannot be touched. It's only we can felt with our heart, because most beautiful things are we are human beings, we cannot see, and there is no there is no option to feel also, just option to feel only. We feel with our whole heart. See, I would like to take one big example about Helen Keller. She is a very precious girl, but she lost her voice and listening skill very tender age. But she is a very determined girl. She used to groom herself. Here we are not judging herself, she is beautiful or not beautiful, but that her quality make us think whole world the most beautiful girl in this world is a Helen Keller. In our life we are seeing each other, oh my god, you make her so much beautiful, but you not make us that much beautiful. But if you just keenly watch themselves, they are not beautiful by heart, then what use of those beautiful faces? Those are not giving you console, giving you good words. So we have to go for not beauty, we should go for our inner beauty. So I remember that Beast of the Beauty story make us uh, think about that things. Over to you. I have seen a green
Yes.
card.
Yes.
Is this
Thank
green?
you. Yes.
Okay, just okay. Over to you.
Yeah. Thank you, Toastmaster Shabani. Well done. Now you will take over the role of a grammarian, please, and note down the good and bad usages of grammar in the speeches of everyone else.
Your voice is very much cracking. Could not hear.
I'll give you a call. Kushan, we need to add that other online person. उनका बाकी. रुक जाओ, अभी आपका नहीं करना. And voice crack हो रहा है, तो connectivity issue आ रहा है.
अरे यार वो बाहर चला गया ना फोन लेके,
तो मेरा डाल दो.
हाँ बट नहीं ठीक है, विल टेल हिम टू केवल को बुला दो बस आप.
I'll give you my hotspot, no?
ऐसा करें.
ये ले लीजिए. Although I don't know मेरा पासवर्ड पर भी आएगा.
नहीं है.
Refresh करो. आया. Which I don't know the password.
Give it a try. Otherwise वो तो है ही connected and I will call up Deepak. ठीक है ना, मैं उसका फोन ही ले आता हूँ. केवल का था. केवल आपका फोन तो दे दो. हाँ नहीं वो चल निकल.
मैं ऐसे हूँ तो यहाँ पे बाहर रहता हूँ, सबको बुला लूँगा।
हाँ ठीक है, फोन यहीं पे है फॉर विल बी फाइन।
Yes, yes, perfect. Now it's perfect. We
हाँ
can call.
दीपक इज आउट देना, ठीक है, विल मूव ऑन।
मैं यहाँ पे रहूँगा।
Okay.
Good
Am I
afternoon,
audible?
Deepak. Yes,
Good
you
afternoon.
are audible.
Okay.
Am I
Thank you.
audible to you? Am I
Yes.
audible to you?
Yes,
Okay.
perfectly.
I hope the rules are very clear to you.
2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, right?
No, 1 to 2 minutes and 30-second grace period. At the end of 1 minute, I will show you a red card. 1.5 minutes, I'll show you a yellow card. And at the end of 2 minutes, I'll show you a red card. And 30 seconds is a grace period for you. So
Okay,
till
good.
2 minutes and 30 seconds, you qualify for the contest.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Shrabani, Toastmaster Shrabani.
Yes.
So you are taking up the role of a grammarian and noting down all the good and the bad usages of grammar during this whole table topic contest. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Thank you. So Toastmaster Deepak, we all have different definitions of beauty. For me, a person who is compassionate is beautiful. Your topic is what qualities makes a person beautiful for you? What are the qualities you look for in a person that makes that person beautiful for you? Over to you, Toastmaster Deepak. And your time starts after you start uttering your first word.
Okay. Thank you and hello, good afternoon, everyone. HCTC members and guests. Beauty. It's very complicated term, especially for the guys. We generally attract from the beauties of girl and yes, attire and his looks and everything. But when we meet the person, what we look for is nature and as you said, how politely he talked to and how manage. What I see in the beauty, especially like way he talk with the lower level people, like so generally because we used to this is the higher level people used to like be rude on in front of the like waiters and the security guards and everything. So that's how you judge the person based on not based on their profession, but how they are doing work. It's okay. They are doing mistake and you can rectify. That's fine. But it not the all the time. Without just judging someone from their only looks and attire, that's not a good thing. Yes, but we cannot deny that beauty doesn't matter because I'm in the architecture field. We love to whenever we design the house, we aesthetic view we keep in the mind. First, we like to whatever we see. First impression, done in the our mind. First impression. So for the first impression is good, but only think about the like we design the house. We also think about function and other like element like coolness and direction and the effect on the our overall life. That's it. Over to you, contester. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Deepak. That was a very good speech. Toastmaster Matthew. They say beauty is skin deep. So what are the qualities in a person that make that person beautiful?
So it is said that every person has to be beautiful, not by skin, by heart also. But nowadays we can see that external beauties are considered very good, or it is respected everywhere, and internal beauties are taking back seat. So things should be not like that. Internal beauty as well as external beauty is
Continue. What qualities? Internal which qualities? What qualities make a person beautiful?
What qualities make a person beautiful? That person has to be very kind or polite. And if the person are having these two skills, then the person goes anywhere, he would be acceptable by each and everyone. Because if you are kind or you are humble or you are polite, then everyone is going to respect you, everyone is going to love you. So that's it.
Any example you know? Speak for 2 minutes. Any example you know of?
So I cannot tell about anyone, but I want to be like that that person, that I cannot hurt someone by knowingly or unknowingly. I just want I don't want to judge people according to their external beauty. I want to be that person, and according to me, that person will be perfect person. This is the first time.
First time?
First time.
Table topic. huh?
Table talk.
Wow, well done. उन लोग को बुला ना. Shabani, everything is audible to you, na?
Yes, now clearly.
Okay.
Before it was cracking, but now not.
Okay. Toastmaster Chinar. Beauty has million names, but there are few qualities which make any person look more beautiful. Name the qualities which you find make a person more beautiful. Over to you, Toastmaster Chinar.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Pauravi, and very good afternoon to all guests and everybody. The one quality which I feel makes any person beautiful, and for that matter, myself beautiful, is trust, or you can say dependability. If I am trustworthy, if I am dependable, I should be able to inculcate that faith in the other person, that I am available for you, I am there for you. It is that blind trust a person keeps on the other party which makes him or her beautiful. Let me give you a simple example which I had come through a year ago. I was traveling through a deserted road. It was a scorching summer afternoon. Besides the road, there was a temple. The temple was closed because the doors were completely shut. And I could see a person who was standing outside the temple praying, irrespective of the fact. He was unaware of the fact that the temple is closed. When I came near, I could find out that the person was blind. He was blind. He was not aware of the fact that the temple is closed. He was just praying with his heart. That was his trust on the Almighty. That was his faith on the person that yes, there's somebody out there. He was completely unaware of the fact that whether the temple was open, temple was closed, but he just kept on praying, standing there. So for me, the one thing which, again to repeat, makes a person beautiful is trust.
Thank you, Toastmaster Chinar. That was a lovely speech.
I'll call. I love it. I love it. Very good.
Hello. Toastmaster Suman. Beauty is skin deep, they say. But it varies from person to person. Okay. What quality, according to you, makes a person more beautiful? What qualities, according to you, make a person more beautiful? Over to you, Toastmaster Suman.
Good afternoon, Toastmasters. So, according to me, every person is beautiful in their own way. It's not about their skin, their beauty, or their color. They all are beautiful in their own way. The way they think, the way they do. Even when I see people, I always see some good qualities in some person, and I always try to adopt that good qualities. Whenever I see, okay, yeah, this quality is good of her, and I always, try to adopt those qualities in me. And I feel everyone is beautiful in their own way. How they handle the situation, how they socialize, how they deal with people, how they do their work, how they handle their home, and yeah, everyone is beautiful in their own way. Right. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Oh yeah.
You can give any example, you can give anything, any incident, anything.
Okay. So let's say I had some few friends in my college. So where my best friend. So she, her height was, 4'8" or 4'9". I don't remember the exact height, but she used to feel little inconfident about herself. So I used to feel, why you feeling that? Like, she was beautiful in many ways. She was very good with communication, and her personality was very good. So I used to, always give her confidence that you are beautiful, and I feel everyone is beautiful.
Thank you, Toastmaster, so much. है ना? मुझे पहले लगा कि हम लोग नॉर्मल सेशन रखेंगे, तो मैं सोचा 10 टॉपिक
Just wait. I would like to at the end ask you something. No?
Yes, please. Hello, Toastmaster. Jaspreet. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So, what, according to you, makes a person more beautiful? What, according to you, what qualities, according to you, makes a person more beautiful?
Thank you, Toastmaster.
Already.
Hi, fellows. Good morning, all. It's a beautiful topic, and I'm enchanted. I'm thrilled. I'm blessed that I have to speak on such a amazing topic that's very close to my heart. What qualities make a person more beautiful? I think the most beautiful quality that a person can have is compassion in heart. The compassion makes you understand the person from his point of view and from your point of view. Sensitive. I am a very sensitive person. I have heard this statement over and over in the last many years. Is sensitivity good or bad? I happen to one day sit and start thinking about it. What is sensitive? When I am sensitive, he said this to me, he said that to me. How dare he? I become sensitive, but I'm me sensitive. The moment I change this sensitivity to the other person, why did he say this to me? Why did he chose to speak this to me? How have I harmed him? Or, how can I change this perspective of this person towards me? I become sensitive to the other person. And this sensitivity in me reveals that there's a compassion in my heart. I am larger than myself. I want to think beyond myself. I want to put myself in the other person's shoes. And the moment we start doing this, the world becomes a beautiful place. Because it's simply knowing the other person's perspective and point of view. And the moment the shift happens, the understanding grows leaps and bounds. And that compassion suddenly makes you feel that the other person is very beautiful. Because now you're not fixed to the looks, you're not fixed to the dress, you're not fixed to the outer look. Suddenly the aura, you enter the aura of that person. And that's what happens when we meet the gurus, Mahatmas. We don't look at the face. We don't know the complexion of Shri Shri or Sadhguru. We just live in their aura. And that's because they're full of compassion. Thank you very much.
Very good. Before I next topic,
सब बातें करूंगा इसमें सबसे पहले रहता कि कोई नो ऑडियंस
My heart is Thank you so much. I almost had my heart covered.
Very nice.
All ladies are
No, so I was saying everybody's very smart. The person want to speak in front of lesser audience and want to sit, not stand in the field.
I actually wanted to say
and to think of it, our Saturday dance just talked of fear and anxiety. Look at them, ganging up there.
they are busy networking.
Yes, yes. Toastmaster Kritika. Beauty means different things to different people. But through today's topic, I want to know what are the qualities that make a person more beautiful, according to you? What are the qualities that make a person more beautiful to you? Over to you, Toastmaster Kritika.
So when we portray a human, then we think of a lot of qualities that should be in a person. Many people think that they should be glorified, they should look, clean, they should be beautiful, something or the other, which is the only what you call is only details of a person and not the quality. I think in a person, what qualities should be there is humanity, which is something that should be in every human, to have a feeling towards other humans, despite of what background he is from, or where he is working, or from which caste or region. Anything should not matter, and humanity is must in a person. Apart from that, I think to be able to support each and everyone who is either lesser than you, you cannot say lesser than you, but less fortunate than you. You should have always a compassion towards people, which will together as a society will help us to improve the whole society. That's all from my side. अरे उन लोगों ने ऐसे बोला कि AC बंद कर दो. They thought the meeting is over and everyone is leaving because they were standing outside. They said no, we will go one by one inside.
Hello. Good surprise.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Toastmaster Vikas. Beauty means different things to male, is what I know. So, but there are few qualities which everybody likes different qualities in a person. So what are those qualities in a person which makes that person more beautiful for you? What are the qualities in a person which make that person more beautiful for you?
Exactly. So it all depends on where you belong to. So I believe everybody, whosoever are there, they either belong to mass or either belong to class. What I believe, what is beauty in terms of my understanding is class. So what makes someone belong to class? Let's break this class into CLASS. So the C stands for credibility. The one who is credible to me, on whom I can trust, who can keep my promises, and who can help me out whenever required. I will believe that person belongs to class. He is credible to me. Then comes L, likability. If you have got that likability, how you are likable? You are likable by your behavior, by your overall personality, by what good deeds you do. Then it becomes likability. So then you become part of class. Then comes A for attitude. You should have right attitude. And if I see someone with that positive attitude, I believe he is part of that class and he has got that beauty which I like. Then comes S. S stands for simplicity. I I don't believe in doing a lot of stuff and showing to the world that I have this much big car, I have this kind of houses, and I do a lot of holidays. If you have, you keep it. Better you keep your life simple so that you can give examples to others. And then last comes sweetness. And from where the sweetness comes? Sweetness comes from the tongue, from the voice, the language you speak. The sweeter you speak, you are more likable. So if you have got these qualities, you are part of class, and you are part of class, then I believe you have got that beauty which I will like.
I'm getting to learn so much.
That pulls me hair every time somebody does something. Word of the day, face of the day, whatever it is.
I'm sorry, I don't know you. I will take you.
Yes.
So good afternoon, Toastmaster Siddharth. Beauty means different things to different people. Beauty breaks all kinds of barriers. But beauty is different. For you, it is different for me. So what are those qualities in a person that makes a person beautiful for you? The qualities in a person that makes that person beautiful for you.
So I think the qualities which makes a person beautiful for me is the behavior, the body language, the
Yeah.
I think means behavior matters a lot in having a good
So what kind of behavior?
I just forgot the
No
topic.
problem. Okay, I'll repeat the topic. What are the qualities that makes a person beautiful for you?
I just think that only these two qualities I keep in mind: the behavior, the body language.
Want to elaborate on what kind of a behavior?
Not such any specific type, but a general behavior.
Good afternoon, Toastmasters.
Good afternoon.
So today's topic is please elaborate on the qualities which make a person beautiful for you. What are the qualities in a person?
What is quality?
Qualities
Qualities
that makes a
that
person
makes person
beautiful for you.
beautiful for me.
Yeah. Should I repeat the topic?
No, miss, may I repeat actually just for clarity? What quality have to make?
What
quality qualities
makes a person
beautiful for me?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, all the members and guests. First of all, think that quality, if we talk about what I prefer, that honesty, that I prefer as a working in a corporate sector where all the colleagues working with me and under me, where people are not very honest about their work, what they do. I give the work and the task, they not able to complete it and even don't give me information about it. So there is a required to honest about your work. Whatever you do, you have to communicate with the person. And second thing is that you have to make confidence so that person understand. Because as I feel, and my organization, where my manager communicate with me, but not able to give me a clear idea. Because of that, because he is not clear about even his thought, what going through is through his mind, whether he give me a clear idea or not giving me a clear means clear thought, what is going to about and what where I have to work. So the two things I just wanted to be want one from person to as the quality that can acceptable for me. Thank you so much.
Ankit. Toastmaster Ankit. Today's topic for the mock contest is what qualities in a person make that person beautiful for you? Qualities in a person which make that person beautiful for you. All the best.
So I think we are living in a materialistic world and we are chasing many things in our life. All materialistic things, like we are chasing the big car, we are chasing the big house, we are chasing everything. We are actually living other dreams. We are not living our dreams. So I think the qualities that I am looking for in other person, which can impress me, is a thing that can realize me that how to be happy. And that's a big thing today's world, that how other person can give me a motivation to be always happy all the times. And I observe that personally after marriage, because I also used to chase many things, all materialistic things, but what so my wife actually realized me that I, throughout my life, was behind many wrong things. And I need to change my attitude, I need to change my approach to become a better person in my life. And now I'm thinking more about my happiness, about my satisfaction first, rather than other happiness. So I think that's the one basic quality that impressed me the most. Thank you.
You are participating. Toastmaster Chaos. Beauty is skin deep, right? Beauty is skin deep. It means different things to different people. So, what are the qualities in a person that makes a person more beautiful according to you? What are the qualities in a person which makes a person more beautiful to you? Over to you. All the best.
What are the qualities that makes a person beautiful? Most beautiful about personality or quality. I'll talk about nature. See, everyone will be having some different kind of nature. So it will be different from person to person. So in my perspective, nature is very important qualities that makes a person beautiful. If a person is in arrogant nature or in negative nature, we can say, if we can see a person, that kind of person, then it will impact on us in negative manner. So if a person comes in here, if he will talk about, he'll listen to you, he will talk with you with big smile. So will definitely you will connect to him. So the nature, I can say, the most important quality can be a person can be having. So and most I can say that if two people are having different kind of nature, then it doesn't matter that they are different. So they can also communicate with each other. So that's it from my side.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
What's up?
Hello, आपका नाम?
Mohit.
Mohit. Okay, Mohit. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, right? So, what are the qualities in a person that makes a person beautiful for you? Should I repeat?
No. For this, can I say a small story?
Of course,
For
you
this?
have 2 minutes and 30 seconds grace.
Okay. So, at the same time, both a dog and an elephant, they both got pregnant. Okay. Elephant, after 3 months, still she was pregnant, and a dog, she gave birth to 2-3 kids. Again, after 6 months, dog got pregnant, and again, after 6-7 months, again, dog gave birth to some 3-4 kids. Again, the same thing happened till 18 months. So a dog, she gave birth to approx 1 dozen kids, and the same elephant still she was on the phase to give birth. So one day what happened? A dog came to elephant and asked, what is wrong with you? I gave birth to a dozen and still you are on the phase. So the elephant, what she replies, when I give birth, this whole world they can feel a person or an elephant is getting birth. But when you give birth, only you can feel. So I think the same comes in even success. How we look success is how others they are competing, how others they are doing well, and how others are performing. So at the same time, we doubt ourselves. Are we good? Are we not doing better? So in this case, I can say that beauty lies only in the eyes of beholder. So always think yourself the great, the good, positive. So others, yeah, they are doing better. But when we do the best, others, everyone, they must feel, yes, yeah, we are there to do something.
What qualities in a person make the person more beautiful, according to you? What qualities in a person make the person more beautiful?
A person is one who can see in eyes of other the appreciation, the love, and the respect. And then when you feel that person is admiring you or the person is feeling good about you, that makes you good. So as we all have heard, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. I always feel that if a person thinks good about me, or if I am thinking some good things about that person, probably that is making me more effective as a person, more beautiful as a person. Beauty, as we all know, is candy. But what lies inherently in us is the morals, the ethics, the compassion, the empathy for all of them. If I see a person lying on the street in need of any help and I go ahead, I believe I'm not at all a beautiful person according to myself. So a person, according to me, is beautiful only those who have empathy for people, who have compassion for people, who can think good about other people. Only if you are having qualities to like people, you are likable. Only if you have compassion for people, you are worth compassion. Only you will be satisfied with yourself when you are looking good in people. There are loads of opportunities where you can talk to people and find faults in them. Rare are those who can find the good in that person. If you can recognize good qualities or good behavior in any other person, that will not just make him improve, make him feel satisfied, make him feel better, but you as a person will improve. We always talk about Toastmasters, that this is a platform where we see good in people, enhance their not just capabilities but abilities to talk better, behave better, listen better, be a better leader, be positive in attitude, and whole lot of things. But the most important thing is when you can see the beauty in others' eyes, that is where your true beauty beholds. And it is not about they tell you beautiful, but when you can tell them how to feel beautiful about everything else, how you can motivate them, how you can enhance them, how you can get the better positive attitude in their life, then for me, I would feel more and more beautiful. Thank you.
All the best. All the rest. I wish I had some rest.
Good afternoon. Good name, please.
My name is Raj Shekhar.
Okay. So, we all know that beauty is skin deep, right? So it means different things to different people. So what, according to you, makes a person more beautiful? What qualities, according to you, make a person more beautiful?
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you, Purvi, for giving me not so easy topic. So the topic given to me is what, according to me, is beauty. What it means from my perspective. Very complicated. Right. I think it would depend on person's age, maturity, what he perceives beauty as to be. For example, for a baby, something which is very dazzling, something that can be beautiful for that baby. For some teenage, some person, a girl who is a beautiful girl, a man who is a hunk, beauty may be beauty may be that thing to him. And as you grow up, as you mature, and as you maybe like a person when he gets married, he has kids and all. The way the kids act, they find some kind of beauty in them. So the activities of babies and kids and all, that is very beautiful. And so there are many perspectives. Coming to my perspective, since I'm short of time. So I would say that beauty is something which, when you interact with some person, it makes you feel good. You feel to be in company of that person. However that person may look, however that person may behave, but if he is making you comfortable, if you are feeling that I should spend more time with that person, I think that person is beautiful to me. So I would take beauty in that perspective. Thank you.
So I think with that we are done with the mock contest. Shabani, are you there?
Yes, yes.
We move on with what's the time, right? Can we ask Kushan what we move on with? Okay. And then let us have an interactive session. So, people who have heard others, what do you feel like if you're given a chance to revise your content? I'm sure all of us would revise, including me, because when I thought of the topic, I had a different thought process. When I heard all of you, now I feel like I have much more content and I can concise and talk a lot more. So I want to know from all of you, what is your learning in this? Whoever has learned, like you, Jasprit, you have witnessed few of them, and Chinar, you have witnessed. So let us share. What is it that you take away from other speeches?
So if I had to, like you said, if I had to revise it, I would. So it happens with each one of us that when you hear the other person, it gives you a different kind of genre to think
Yeah.
into it. I didn't think into this
This
aspect
yeah.
because maybe because when you are on stage, the thing which comes to your mind, you start speaking. It's speaking on the toes. But one thing, yes, I would like to say is that I still stand by what I say. But apart from it, I definitely, would like to agree with few of the people over here in terms of what their perspective was, be it compassion, be it positivity, be it the very very apt definition of class which Toastmaster Vikas gave, and the how he had that he does definition of the word. So definitely all those qualities which I think were very very thought provoking to me. But I still stand by.
No, I didn't mean by rewriting
Yeah,
the
so
content. Yeah, I did not mean as such the content, but maybe the structuring of the content.
Yeah. Even the points of the content, because there are a lot of the areas where you don't happen to think otherwise.
So anybody else wants to share?
I interpreted the topic wrong, and that's why I was not able
Yeah,
to
so that's why we kept prompting you the topic, whether you want to elaborate on the behavior, and it usually happens. Was this your first time at any
after COVID. It was my
Oh
first
yeah,
time.
so this is very normal for people with a long gap, and after that, when you heard everybody else, you must have had million thoughts. I could have talked on this, and I would have got something. Yeah, you can be. Why don't you attempt it again? Yeah.
We only have another hour left. Everybody can
It will be good to listen to your perspective.
But I think that it should be instant. But now I know the topic, so I will not be able
No.
to frame that.
You want a surprise topic because I had come prepared for a not a mock contest as well. If you want, I can give you extra course. We continue with the normal table topic. I have few objects in here, and whichever object you pick up, I will ask you some question based on that.
So this is not table topic. This is
This is
something
table topic only.
Okay.
This is a normal table topic. What we attempted was a mock contest, which everybody had a same topic. Now we go for a normal table topic.
So okay.
Now he's started.
It's okay, let it be. Okay. Share an incident with a traffic police which you have ever encountered, and you can use a whistle in your speech.
Can you repeat? Share an incident?
With a traffic police,
Okay.
and you can use a whistle if you want, if you wish, in your speech.
So I think that the traffic police person, they are not using this thing. They are actually coming in front of the vehicle with the stick in the hand, and they directly tell us to drag down the window, and they ask two things only: license hai ki nahi, and kiski gaadi hai. So I think there is no need of this whistle for traffic police. Like, they don't require this thing. They just have that lathi, and they have the gun. So means they call the police because the traffic police is accompanied with that police officers also. So if the matter goes more, so he comes with that pistol to.
How much? You still have time.
Achha, okay, you will show that.
Your experience.
So my experience was the same only, that they come in front of the car with that lathi, and then they ask the license, about the license, about the penalty, and then I have to convince them, okay, I'm a student, I don't have money, I'm not earning, please let me go. So then they are anyway which ways they are convinced, and they sometimes, not all the time, that because what should I say?
Then they took the money.
We also
KP who hasn't spoken yet, who has joined also late.
Let us give him the contest topic only.
KP?
Yes, boss.
So this is a mock table topic contest and we want to hear it from the horse's mouth now. So Porvi is giving you the topic.
Okay.
Good afternoon, KP sir.
Good afternoon, Porvi madam.
Okay, Toastmaster KP. Topic for today's table topic session is what qualities according to you make a person more beautiful? What qualities according to you make a person more beautiful? Over to you, Toastmaster KP.
Madam Table Topics Master, friends, fellow Toastmasters. Beautiful is he who beautifully thinks. I repeat, beautiful is he who beautifully thinks. So it is the thought, it is the heart, it is the attitude of the person which really makes a person truly beautiful. Otherwise, the beauty from normal sense is only skin deep. A good skin, good features don't make a person beautiful. If you really see the animal kingdom also, there are beautiful snakes, but nobody holds them. Nobody goes near them. If you know that a person is ready to bite you and kill you and backstab you, nobody would go there. Hence, the real beauty of a person is his or her thoughts. Now, if you differentiate between males and females, females' beauty lies in their outlook of what we in Hindi call lajja. The beauty of a female is in lajja. I won't be able to straight away translate what is lajja, but you know it. And the beauty of a male really lies in the way he talks, the way he thinks. There is a very nice verse in Sanskrit also which says that Vak Bhushanam Bhushanam. Vak means communication, the way you communicate, and the demeanor of a female. That is real beauty. Over to you, madam.
Thank you, Toastmaster KP. Thank you so much.
So what are we doing now? We'll play some games.
Yeah.
We want to host a game session. Apna wo typical wala, what we say. Damsharas. Will be fun. We'll divide ourselves into halves and damsharas. Everyone is good with damsharas, right? So we'll put half the chairs here, half the chairs there. You don't know what damsharas is? You get it. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15. हाँ, यहाँ से थोड़ी सी चेयर इधर कर और दमशरा की चैंपियन आएगी who hosting? अच्छा एक host है. Madhvi, you are doing?
Yes. नहीं होस्ट क्यों करना है?
होस्ट करना है.
हम सेटिंग को देगा.
Fine. So you want to strategize पहले कि नहीं कूद पड़ेगा?
पहले मैं बोला कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे. चलेंगे.
क्या करना सबको पता ही है ना.
This is Hindi.
Hindi should be like this, right? हिंदी
हिंदी
और वर्ड्स की मूवी का कोई नाम बताएंगे भगवान को तो उसको ऐड करके बताना है। तो कितने वर्ड्स होंगे उसको बताना है। जैसे फर्स्ट वर्ड मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ, सेकंड वर्ड और थर्ड वर्ड। फर्स्ट वर्ड का आधा जैसे मुझे आजा बोलना है तो फर्स्ट वर्ड का आधा 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 हाँ करेक्ट। और कुछ साल से हम लोग जो
फर्स्ट वर्ड ऑफ तो देन ना वी स्टार्ट पॉइंटिंग। इसका मतलब है कि मेरे नाम का फर्स्ट लेटर। तो अब वहां से जाना ऐसे इसके नाम से से शुरू होते हैं, ज से शुरू होते हैं, च से शुरू होते हैं। आप कट करने के लिए ऐसे
कुछ भी ऐसे
ऐसे समझ में ओके
चलो डन है।
हम ये वाला
इतना बताने के लिए इतनी ग्रुपिंग करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। इतना करने के लिए ग्रुपिंग करने की
कौन आ रहा है आपने से सबसे पहले? यस जी चिराग।
अब आ गए।
अब वो बोले 2 मिनट रुको
बस मीनवाइल आप सोच लो।
क्या दिया कभी तो है।
अरे हमें देनी है, हमें देना है।
8 राउंड कर रहे हैं, घर को जा रहा है।
अरे हाँ यार
टाइम बहुत पहले क्या मैसेज दे दो। हां
हाँ
डेमो मूवी का नाम ऑनलाइन से यू कैन सपोर्ट एनीवन एंड पिच इन। ऑनलाइन कोई अलग टीम तो नहीं।
हाँ केपी सर है, शबनी है।
टेक्निकल
सोच के रखो। आप बोलो मैं बोलूं। क्या खड़े हो?
पांच
वर्ड्स
इंग्लिश
हिंदी
हिंदी पुरानी बहुत एक ही भी नहीं होंगे।
गॉड
मूवीज के नाम सोच के रखो। थर्ड वर्ड इज मैन। फोर्थ वर्ड फांसी खुदकुशी लटकना लटक लटकी लटकी
लटका
लटकती मैं लटकती मैं लटकती हुई आत्मा ऐसा लटकती हुई लाश लटकती हुई लाश
तीन वर्ड हो गए।
लटकती हुई लाश मैं लटकी लाश मैं लटकी लाश मैं लटक
पहले दो।
हाँ शमशान में
आप ऐसे खड़े रहो ना।
सबको
सुनाई देते वैसे।
जगह कॉफी
टाइम कितना देना? टाइमर तो देखो।
सरफेस
रास्ता, दो किनारे,
रिवर
घाट
ब्रिज 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 है ओ वाह ब्रिज में लटकती लाश हावड़ा ब्रिज में लटक सुनाई दे रहा है मेरे को याद है क्या बोला
That was the intention.
जाएगा
हो जाएगा कर लेंगे
One
One
word.
word.
हिंदी
बहुत पुराना है।
बहुत बुरा
बहुत बार
सुरैया
अच्छा वो
उसको पता ही नहीं है रोहित, तो आपको वर्ड का इनेक्ट करो।
वर्ड को तोड़ दो
तोड़ दो
तोड़ दो।
फर्स्ट
फर्स्ट पार्ट
चार
वन चार हिंदी वन फूल
अल्बेनिया
पहला मैं तो बताऊं
फर्स्ट
गेसिंग
फर्स्ट
हिंदी।
लेटर
फर्स्ट लेटर हिंदी।
क क ऐसे नहीं कर सकते नहीं बता सकते
ये तो
ये बता दिया पहले, अभी दूसरा बताना है तो मैं काउंट करके कहूंगी कि बच्चा को बताऊं
नहीं कर कयामत
पता जाएगा
किस्मत
ये तो वैसे भी वर्ड नहीं है, पर मन को खुश कर लो।
तो ये है इनेक्ट करना भी रहता है।
कयामत
ब्रेक करके
कयामत से
चलो मैं ट्राई करता हूँ
कायनात
कयामत किस्मत
ट्राई करना
कायनात
कामयाब कमजोर
थोड़ा हिंट दीजिए।
कयामत से कयामत।
एक वर्ड
ही वर्ड है
ओके।
कारवां
दो वर्ड का
हम।
कैसे
कारवा
क से कलश
कर्ज
थोड़ा हिंट दीजिए।
वो हिंदी
चार है
चार वर्ड
वर्ड को तोड़ दीजिए।
सेकंड हाफ को तो
अदर
सेकंड हाफ
करेक्ट
दो लेटर्स
चार वर्ड है ना
चार कैरेक्टर है।
ऐसे बोल सकते
चार है
ऐसा होगा तो सुना ऐसा होगा
अच्छा मैं एक्ट करने की कोशिश करती हूँ।
ठीक है
ओके
दुल्हन
दुल्हन
मैं आप काम
काम
करवा-
काम चोर
काम
काम तो काम करना पड़ता
मैं
बहुत
कहाँ?
सारा ससुराल में
क्या
कपड़े कपड़े
ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
कपड़े दो।
आप लोगों में से कोई कर सकता है ये?
हाँ अरे यार वो तो फिर तुम लोग मानोगे थोड़ी। यू विल नेवर गिव अप। नहीं पर ऐसा ही होता है।
हमारा भी चीजें थोड़ी था
नहीं पार्टनर हम तो लड़की लाती हो जाते हैं।
मजबूर मजबूर
बाजार काम करना पड़ता है
कर्तव्य
बर्तन
लो।
ओ
अरे भाई चलो गाइस नाउ हु नाउ हमारे पास किसी Vikas will hear. You have a word ready?
I have a word.
मैं तो करीबी बहुत
Kubavat. What was the word?
कर्तव्य
Gantavya.
कर्तव्य रिस्पांसिबिलिटी
Kartavya. अच्छा कर्तव्य. So thank you.
इंग्लिश में भी सोच नहीं ना
Five words हैं हिंदी है मैं हम
भगवान
मूर्ति
देवता
यमराज
पहला वर्ड बता रहे
एक ही वर्ड है उसमें 5 लेटर है
सेंसर
टेंशन नहीं
ब्रह्मांड दुनिया
हिम्मत वाला,
राजा मैं,
साक्षात,
प्रभु,
कृष्ण,
मैं, नटराज,
शिव जी,
दुनिया में अंतर है,
सब,
यूनिवर्स,
ब्रह्मांड,
कृष्णा।
अरे
5 वर्ड
पांच लेटर्स
5 लेटर्स है ना,
एक ही वर्ड है ना,
एक ही वर्ड का है।
एक वर्ड है 5 लेटर।
पुरानी पिक्चर है कि नहीं? बहुत ज्यादा पुरानी, उसको आधा भी नहीं होगी।
ब्रह्मास्त्र।
ब्रह्मास्त्र,
अरे मैं तो कहाँ से बताऊँ?
काउंटिंग करनी है।
सबके राज,
हम लोग सबके सब हम मेरे अंदर है ऐसा।
आप मेरा आत्मा है।
अंतर्यामी, 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 अद्भुत,
फर्स्ट इज
अंतर्यामी,
अविश्वसनीय, अकल्पनीय,
अखंडनीय,
अहम में,
अवतार,
हम ब्रह्मास्मि,
अवतारित,
भाई ट्राई कर सब लोग।
उसका मतलब क्या है? अवतार का इसका
अभी कौन सा
नहीं, ये कह रहा है कि
ग से शुरू हो रहा है।
छोटा छोटा
इवोल्यूशन, इवोल्यूशन,
बड़े होने तक
आविष्कार, आविष्कार, आविष्कार,
आविष्कार, बाल अवतार,
आविष्कार,
छोटा, बड़ा, छोटा,
बड़ा, छोटे से बड़ा हुआ। हाँ,
दुनिया,
दुनियादारी,
आविष्कार,
तो सामने उन्होंने कैसे
मैं,
दिया?
मैंने बनाया, आविष्कार,
भगवान,
नहीं,
अभिमन्यु, एक
यूनियन,
जीवन, उसका मीनिंग से कुछ और।
हाँ,
आधा आधा शब्द ब्रेक करके लास्ट।
हाँ,
अच्छा इसमें कोई हाफ वर्ड है, हाफ लेटर है।
अवतारित, आविष्कार,
अंधेरा, अंधकार,
4.5 लेटर।
नहीं, नहीं, इनका कहना ये है
अभी आप लोग अंधकार में ही हो।
एक ऐसा है ना, ये लोग सभी एक हैं, आपसे है ऐसा, तो दुनिया एक है, पूरी दुनिया आप के अंदर बसी हुई है ऐसा।
आत्मा,
कण कण में भगवान।
अंतरात्मा,
बच्चों के वो,
नहीं, यही है, अहंकार,
अभिमन्यु,
अभिमान,
अभिमान,
अभी है या नहीं?
अभी है,
और तो हो गया।
अमान्य, अमान्य, डांटते हैं सामने,
एक माँ है इस लेटर में।
ऐसे थोड़ी चल, अभी थोड़ी देर
आयुष्मान,
ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, एक, दो, तीन,
आयुष्मान, आयुष्मान, आयुष्मान।
हो गया यार, टिक टिक 1
एक लाख है,
एक का,
3
अकेले हैं।
लड़का,
पहला, एक का, 9,
अच्छा एक काम करो, आप ये ले लो जो अच्छे से एक्ट करता है उससे वो
नहीं, हम एक हैं,
किंजल
हम सब एक है।
शुरू से शुरू करो।
हाँ चलो,
5 वर्ड का है,
5 वर्ड का है,
5 वर्ड कौन सा वर्ड है?
5 वर्ड नहीं है, एक ही वर्ड है ना, उसके 5 लेटर है,
5 लीटर है।
हाँ।
हाँ,
पहला अक्षर अ है। हाँ,
अ है या आ है?
हाँ,
ठीक है।
अवतारित,
सेकंड
आविष्कार,
आविष्कार,
अविस्मरणीय, आयुष्मान,
अद्भुत,
कुछ अंदर से लेने से, आत्मा से लेने से, उससे कुछ रिलेटेड है।
भगवान से
अंतरराष्ट्रीय,
भगवान से
कितना टाइम आपको
से रिलेटेड है? हाँ?
आकाश आकाश गंगा
आकाश गंगा वाह
आकर्षण।
टिक टिक वन
दुनिया मेरे अंदर है।
टिक फाइव
खत्म खत्म।
टिक टिक सिक्स
दुनिया मेरे अंदर है।
टिक सेवन टिक टिक एट टिक टिक नाइन 10
हो गया विकास हो गया अभी बोल दो हो गया
मैं दुनिया के अंदर
अनोखे
नहीं, मैं दुनिया के अंदर हूँ।
नहीं मैं दुनिया का अंदर हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
हो गया यार अभी
अपरिचित।
मैं बता रही हूँ अस्तित्व
मैं दुनिया के अंदर हूँ तो अस्तित्व हुआ ना यार। छोटे हैं बड़े हैं पूरी दुनिया है उसको मैं अस्तित्व बता दिया था
वो वाला अच्छा था
छोटे से लेके बड़े तक सबका अपना एग्जिस्टेंस है, सबका अपना।
आप तो नटराज में भी पहुंच गए, शिव में पहुंच
मतलब आप भी हो मैं भी हूँ सब यहाँ एग्जिस्ट।
नहीं अब क्या स्ट्रेटजी अगर चीटिंग करने ये लोग चीटिंग कर रहे हैं मेरे को पता है चलिए बताइए अच्छा ना हाँ क्या देगा
8 चाय हो रही है बाय 2 ठीक है
जो होएगा सुनो
क्या फर्क है सर?
ये सोचते हैं कि
लेकिन ये हो जाएगा।
क बोलना है केश बोलेंगे तो वैसे करके बोल सकते हैं ना
आप गूगल कर रहे
Three word or 3 letter?
इतना भी क्लैरिटी नहीं
भैया 3-4
भगवान
और
ओम जय जगदीश
ईश्वर
मैं शिव
शिवम सुंदरम
ईश्वर
है बस पर ईश्वर है
ईश्वर का
भगवान
Three words.
Third word is Hindi.
सब भगवान से रिलेटेड
भगवान देवी
ईश्वर
ईश्वर का नाम
भगवान
देवता
देवता
ओके
प्यार का देवता
समथिंग लाइक दैट
second word
का
देवता
पाप का देवता
फर्स्ट वर्ड
दूध का देवता दूध का देवता
का देवता
first word
इंग्लिश में
come
see
ka
एंड
एंट्री
इंसाफ का देवता
इंसानियत
Very good.
हाँ वाह इंसानियत का दिया
इंग्लिश वाला मस्त
इन जो आपने किया
ના પૂછવાથી તમે હોવ તો આવી જાવ એટલે જ મેં કર્યો તો પછી મારી કારણ કે હવે યાદ રહે અંદર પૂછ્યો
चलो कौन आ रहा है इजी हो जाएगा
कौन सा आ रहा
तभी तो हीरो हीरोइन बहुत इजी है बहुत इजी तभी मजा आएगा आगे बढ़ेगा
मतलब नहीं सही बात है मैं एक्टिंग कर सके ना बहुत मजा आता है क्योंकि वो बहुत डिफरेंट
हम लोग गेस करना चालू करें क्या?
वो बहुत इजी
यार वो भी आ गया तो पहले ये भी कर लेते हैं ना।
हाँ ये भी कर देते हैं।
दिखा के कर लें।
करके आप बताओ 2 words हिंदी इंग्लिश हिंदी
पुराना नया
second word
Now good.
ship
Plane.
Wow, they almost like
Ship.
rocket
Krish वाला
Krish 2
hold on
hold
your horses सिंक ही नहीं है टीम में
Krish 2
हाँ अच्छा तो भारत इंडिया इंडिया
कश्मीर विशेष कश्मीर
well done
So we have ordered pizza and sandwiches in such a way that we have a slice each of pizza and a piece each of sandwich. That should be.
शांति से सुनते तो जल्दी पता
टेबल टॉपिक से तो अच्छे है
मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है भाई।
सर दिस इज फॉर यू।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है।
सर आप आइए हमारे साथ फिजिकल मीटिंग में कभी।
ये नुकसान है वर्चुअल मीटिंग का।
इस बार जो हम राउंड करेंगे उसमें विल टेक ऑनलाइन इन बोथ द टीम्स।
ठीक है
पर अभी भी ज्वाइन कर सकते थे
वो तो हमने वर्ड इतना टफ दिया।
तो डिवाइड कर दीजिए ना जितने लोग हैं वहां पे उनको 2 लोग।
शबनी है हाँ शबनी है
और भी अब जब मैं नहीं आ सकती ना सामने वाले टीम करेगा।
ध्रुति श्रवणी केपी।
अब ये लाइन इसमें चाय खत्म हो गई। सबने चाय ले ली थी किसी को?
नहीं ले
यू लाइक टू हैव? We have sandwiches also ready. Probably हम पूरा ही ब्रेक कर लेते हैं एक साथ।
तो स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं।
साथ में कर सकते हैं ना नहीं हम कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे वो आ जाएगा है ना एक दिन को बाकी सबको तो ड्रेस करना। हाँ
आप लोग का नाम डिसाइडेड है?
हाँ वो तो है।
ऐसा दे
ना डायरेक्ट कर सके, एक वर्ड वाले नाम में मजा नहीं आता है, वो
ठीक है ना,
डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, फन नहीं होता। चलिए
दो वर्ड वाले कर लेंगे। दे दो आप।
इंग्लिश इजी होगा। भगवान मुझको जोड़ना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, हम जीतने का कॉन्फिडेंस ले रहे हैं।
हमने तो दी थी।
बहुत easy।
कितने वर्ड? हिंदी।
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 हिंदी इंग्लिश बोथ वर्ड्स है। नहीं
नहीं,
हिंदी वाला
दो वर्ड्स है।
तो
हीरो कौन है?
हीरो
सिर्फ हीरो ही है।
Second word.
खा।
हिंदी।
खाना। ई। खा।
खा।
ख।
ना
खाना।
फूड ना
खा।
आधा
खा और
खा।
ना।
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 ख का आधा
खाना।
ख।
ईट का आधा
करना है।
सिखाना वर्ड है, उसका आपको आधा करवाना है।
खाना का आधा तो है। इस खाना का कुछ और वर्ड है। सो बेसिकली आप सेकंड कर रहे हो ना वर्ड।
ईट
हाँ।
खाना।
खाना
खाना का कुछ और वर्ड
बावर्ची
बावर्ची नहीं।
मास्टर से।
LDH
शाहरुख
शाहरुख खान।
शाह।
शाह।
शाहरुख खान की मूवी है।
शाहरुख खान
दिल दे।
अच्छा कुछ टाइम
के नाम का आधा वर्ड। खान। खान।
खान।
खान।
खान। ओके।
खान। सेकंड वर्ड इज खान।
खान।
शेर खान।
अब फर्स्ट वर्ड।
खान
चंगेज खान।
एक ने अगर नाम सुने तो पता लग ही जाएगा।
खाने को तोड़ने को बोल रही हूँ। खाने
क्या देना है? कौन सा वर्ड देना है?
ये तो कभी नहीं होगा।
इसे जानबूझ के मुझे हार्ड बोलते हैं।
तुम्हारे लिए क्या है जो तुमने किया वो तुम्हें सोच भी नहीं।
अच्छा, there is one request. Everybody has to pay 100 rupees.
Yes.
Yes.
नहीं ले।
हाँ सुन लिया है, वांट टू चेंज। हमने सुन लिया है, चेंज करना तो कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा आपने सुना
मेरे हो जाएगा नहीं तो
ठीक है, हमने दिया ना।
उन्होंने सुन लिया।
नहीं सुना। हमें ट्रिक कर रहे चेंज करने को बोल रहे हैं।
हाँ
करो
4 वर्ड।
ये अब रख देता हूँ।
हिंदी इंग्लिश हिंदी दुलारा।
अच्छा, लाडला
लाडला
मेरा बेटा।
माँ माँ लास्ट इज माँ।
अरे वो मनोज कुमार की पिक्चर है।
रास्ते अलग अलग।
रास्ते मंजिल कारवा।
रास्ते में माँ
मेरी माँ।
तेरी माँ
मोड़ टेढ़ा मेढ़ा
मोड़
चौराया चौराहे
चौक। कौन सा वर्ड बता रहे हो?
सेकंड वर्ड।
टोटल कितने वर्ड है?
4 वर्ड्स हैं। लास्ट वर्ड माँ है।
मोड़ मोड़
माँ है ना? एंड
राज चौरासी माँ।
3 वर्ड।
थर्ड वर्ड
चाबी
की
सेकंड इज की
थर्ड इज
कीमा हो गया कीमा
पहला वर्ड पैसा
मनी
रोकड़ा
कैश ये वर्ड था
नहीं पहला है कि
फर्स्ट वर्ड कितने लेटर्स है उसमें 3 उसको मनी नोट
आमदनी अठन्नी खर्चा रुपया
रुपया
थर्ड वर्ड
छिल्ला वर्ड माँ है।
थर्ड इज की लास्ट
अच्छा
कीमा
की माँ।
बहुत पुरानी है
फर्स्ट वर्ड
वैसे
कीमा?
डॉलर रुपया
सोना सो
जाना
100
हजार
1084 की ना
अरे हजार चौरसिया की माँ।
say again
हजार चौरसिया की माँ।
oh my god never heard of it.
ये कौन सी मानी है
The most controversial movies and Jaya Bachchan got national award for this movie.
It's a movie actually.
अभी क्या कौन सा देखा? अच्छा
जाओ उन लोग को तो इतना सोचना पड़ता है, हम तो ऐसे ही सोच के सिंह से ट्रोल हो गए पूरी तरह से
okay bye bye I've got to go bye another duty another club another content
See you in the meeting, sir.
thank you bye bye
हाँ होंगे बच्चे होंगे नहीं वही क्यों बोलो पढ़ रहे टेंशन में पढ़ रहे तो होंगे
बोले थोड़ा जोर से
मैं खड़ी हूँ, मेरे को punishment है।
और भी सीखिए कुछ वो देखिए गूगल
सीरियस डिस्कशन चल रहा है
इतना तो अपने कॉन्टेस्ट में भी नहीं पता
जल्दी टाइम से
दे दो हाँ ठीक है दे दो ये
तो कौन सा ये वाला
हिंदी तराजू इंसाफ का तराजू
कौन से
ऐसा वर्ड में ऐड कर रही थी मैंने बोला उसमें थोड़ा
वो बताओ अभी मुश्किल था
चलो
फोटो
हिंदी
हिंदी
थर्ड वर्ड
पुराना पुरानी मूवी
हिंदी
पुरानी है
नाम
Third
बताना।
प्यार प्यार
किस किसको प्यार करो
तुमको
हम
पहला वर्ड हम
प्यार
तीसरा वर्ड प्यार पहला वर्ड हम तीसरा वर्ड प्यार
मैंने जानबूझ के इजी दिया
पहला वर्ड प्यार है दूसरा वर्ड प्यार है?
तीसरा वर्ड
है
फिर से
पहला वर्ड हम है
हाँ
हम
तीसरा वर्ड प्यार है
फोर्थ वर्ड
फोर्थ वर्ड प्यार
कितने वर्ड प्यार
हाँ तीसरा वर्ड
तीसरा बताइए
बताएगी वो
लाश
लास्ट से
डोली बोरी डोली डोली
बेचारे फर्स्ट के लास्ट से बाहर निकले
रास्ते
ये रास्ते
हमें रही
प्यार
प्यार
के
के
नहीं गलत है गलत है
ये रास्ते हैं प्यार
नहीं गलत है
मेरा ही प्यार के
हाँ तो ये रास्ते वही निकले
बोला रास्ते
नहीं एक साथ दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली आया
कृतिका यू गो कीप द बेस्ट
मैं देता हूँ मास्क लगा पता चल जाता सामने वाले को
Five words. Hindi. Third word. बारिश. ठंड.
बरसात
बादल.
एक वर्ड बताना।
कोई नहीं है तो बंद कर सकते ना, कोई है बंद कर दो।